Good morning, y'all. I thought I'd give you an update on the Salle de Bain. As you can see, we still have the hanging light. Not done yet, but we've made progress. So, that used to be where the sink attachment was. So that drywall will go back up and get patched. That's the way the sink will look. I had to buy a smaller sink so it would kind of fit underneath that window. The other sink I had was too wide, so I had to get the smallest pedestal sink. And once he hooks up the sink, then that drywall will cover all that. And I told him to make sure he puts insulation back there so it won't allow the cold weather to come on in. And also keep the air conditioning inside the house. That blue going around here, that's painter's tape. That's me. I put that on there because I painted all this. I gotta put another coat when he's done, so don't worry about that. And here is the tub. And this is the interesting thing. This here is what I had to buy because in old-fashioned tubs, your faucet comes through the floor, not from the wall. So I had to buy that. That, you're looking at $300 right there. That thing was $300, almost died. And here's the tub. This is what it looks like. It's nice and deep. As you can see, like there's a typical paper bag. So you can see it's much deeper than a paper bag. So it's nice and deep for a nice bath. And that is the old-fashioned curtain ring where it actually attaches there. It's double-sided and it attaches to the stud in the wall. The light, the rusty light is gone, so he's got to patch that. However, this is, I don't know how I'm going to do this, but you know, usually you hang this in your shower. Well, I don't think that's going to work because usually that goes against the wall. So I just put it there to kind of remind me I got to figure something out there. But the floor is actually also, it's a peel and stick, and it's the only white floor that I could find. So it's not installed yet. Still gotta finish this. This is the light green wall. I may change it, I don't know. Kind of bright. Anyway, so far that is the Salle de Bain. Making progress. I'm hoping it's gonna be done on this weekend. Getting hot over here. Getting hot, so definitely showers are needed. Alright, you have y'all a good day, and I'll keep y'all updated. Okay, bye.